Okay, simplify each expression. C, I need to factor top and bottom. So top, I have a GCF. I would start with my smallest number. Does 6 go into 12? It does. So when I factor that, it's going to become 6, and it's like dividing. So divide by 6, divide by 6. The 6's cancel. I'm left with x. 12 divided by 6 is 2. Now the bottom, they are all even, so I know for a fact there's a GCF. Again, start with your smallest number. They also don't all have an x, so I know x cannot come out. But I can take an 8 out. 8 goes into 16, 8 goes into 48. If you're not sure, you can divide. And if it's a pretty number, then it does. Or you can remember, do math, write 9, 16, comma 8. That gave me 8. So math, write 9. Remember, you use your GCF, comma your third number, so 48. And don't type negatives, don't type letters. So 8 is my GCF. So I can take out 8, and I have to divide. So divide, divide, divide. Top I can't really do as fractions, that's why I wrote that. 16 divided by 8 is 2. 8's cancel, so plus x. Negative 48 divided by 8, I just typed in my calculator, gave me 6. So that's minus 6. Now, I have to still keep going if possible. I need to try to factor this inside. So I'm going to rewrite the top. And we're going to see if we can factor that further. So A is 2, B is 1, C is negative 6. 2 times negative 6 is negative 12. B is 1. I know that I could do positive 4, negative 3. So I do have to do the box because A is not 1. So 2x squared, negative 6, positive 4, don't forget your x, negative 3x. 2 goes into 4, so this is 2x. 3 goes into 6, so this is negative 3, because that's negative, this is negative. 2 does not go into 3, 2 is prime, so this is just x. 4 does not go into 6, but they're both even. 2 does, and it's positive, so plus 2. These were simpler GCFs, but again, you can always use your calculator. Math, right? 9, 4, comma 6. It tells me 2, so I was correct. So I get, don't forget your 8, I get x plus 2, and I get 2x minus 3. So right away, I see my x plus 2's cancel, which is what I'm wanting. I'm trying to simplify. 6 over 8 does simplify. If you struggle with that, use your calculator. 6 over 8 simplifies to 3 over 4. So I'm left with 3 over 4 times 2x minus 3, and you do not have to multiply it back in. Okay, so D, same concept. Now, luckily, there are no GCFs to begin with. We've actually already factored that exact thing on the bottom up on number 2G. This is a perfect square minus a perfect square. So we know x times x is x squared. Difference of squares, one has a plus, one has a minus. 4 is 2 times 2. Because remember, you have to figure out what squared minus what squared. So x squared and 2 squared. So x minus 2x plus 2. Now the top we actually have to factor. So A is 1, B is 6, C is 8. Now luckily we don't have to do the box because A is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. B is 6. What multiplies to give you 8 and adds to give you 6? It's going to be 2 and 4. So x plus 2, x plus 4. Well, the x plus 2's cancel, same as the last one. So we get x plus 4 over x minus 2. Nothing here cancels because remember, plus and minus makes things stuck like glue.